Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x. We have given 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x, or divided both sides by 8 to the power x, we can write here 2 to the power x over 8 to the power x plus 4 to the power x over 8 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x over 8 to the power x. Or we can apply this exponents rule here. A to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Apply this rule here, we can write 2 over 8 whole to the power x plus 4 over 8 whole to the power x is equal to here this cancel out this, so it will be remaining on is equal to 2 divided by 2, it will be remaining 1, and 2 divided by 8, it will be remaining 4. So here we can write 1 over 4 to the power x plus 4 divided by 4, it will be remaining 1, and 4 divided by 8, it will be remaining 2. So here we can write 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to 1, or 1 over 2 whole square, because 2 square is equal to 4 whole to the power x plus 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Here we can apply this exponents rule. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Apply this rule here, we can write here 1 over 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Now let 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to substituted by m. So we can write here m square plus m is equal to 1, or this 1 taking to left side, we will get m square plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Or now here we can apply quadratic formula, so we can write here m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square, that means 1, minus times minus, it will be positive 1, 4 times 1 is equal to 4 over 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Now we see here two cases, so we can write here m is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or m is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But remember the substituted value 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to m. So here we can write 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to, rearranging it, we can write here square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, or 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now attention here, 1 by 2 1 by 2 to the power any number, it will be positive, but this is a negative number, so positive not equal to negative, so it will be rejected. So now from here, taking log to both sides, we can write here log of 1 over 2 all to the power x is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, or here we can apply a rule. So here we can write x to the power log of half is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. We need the value of x, so here divided both sides by log of 1 over 2, we can write here x of log half over log of half is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 over log of half. This cancel out this, so the value of x is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 over log of 1 over 2. Now here we can use calculator, so we can write here log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0.118 over log 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5 is equal to log of 0.118 is equal to minus 0.928 over log of 0.5 is equal to minus 0.301. So the value of x is equal to this divided by this is equal to 3.083. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.